Hello, today we're going to look at the Panasonic phone with answer machine. This is more for home use. We will be looking at all the components and everything, the manual, and then we'll be looking at the features and then just a quick review. So we're just going to jump right into the unboxing. So here we have the cover of the box, and it gives you some of the features: talking caller ID, answer machine with message counter, long battery life, global #1 brand, easy to use design, modern convenience, power efficient, unique features. Here we have some how it works, accessories, and some more information. Okay, so we're just going to jump right into the unboxing. Okay, hopefully I cut the tape enough. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is still okay. I added extra tape. All right. I believe this has 5 phones, so we're just going to lay everything out here. As you can tell, it's kind of layered the way they did it, because there's so many phones and everything. Like I said, we will be covering the features and everything. But it's a lot of phones. Okay, here we have the manual. So here are the base. Sorry for the mess, but it's a lot. Okay. I think that's everything, yeah. Okay, so we'll look at it here in a minute. I'll just get off the bag. Okay, there's the box. Okay, so we'll look at the manual first. Okay, so this is telephone accessories, troubleshooting and setup. Here, I'll do it really close in case someone ever loses this, or if we even lose it. And some information. Okay, stop unwanted calls. I think it has kind of like a call blocker. So here we have some information. And here's some more information. Hopefully this becomes useful to someone. They're to release these papers. It's not every time I do the manuals, just in case. So here's some information, table content. It does have, I think, several different languages. Some iconography there. Making and answering calls. See if, no, it's in English, all of it. It's a long, so you got 60, I'm not going to cover all of it because it's a lot. 70 pages, 71 pages. So. Okay, but there's the manual. Okay, so let's try to find the base. This is the base for the... So here we have the base. So it has locate cell, locate intercom, erase mute, plus minus volume, left, right, play, stop, answer, on. Then you have speaker, flash, call wait, redial, pause, hold conference, So a lot of information, and it has a little screen there. There's the bottom, has the little rubbers. There's the back. Okay. And of course, there's the phone area. And like you can see right here, it just sits smoothly without issues. Here's one of the phones. And so you have volume up, down. Here we have, looks like a microphone or headphone you could add, which is pretty cool. It's the first time I've ever seen that. Let's see, there's the battery port area. There's the bottom. And let's see, I don't know what that's located. I think that's to open it in case you have to do something. So there's the, looks like the speaker. There's the top. And there's the microphone area. Let's see. We have some cables. It comes with batteries, which is very nice. Here we have. I wonder if this is for mount it, so you can mount it. This here. Okay, but this is just a regular. So right here, you can tell. Okay, so it has the little rubbers. Wow, this, I like that they made it small. So if you have a surge protector, let's see. As you can tell, it's very small. And so if you have a surge protector, it won't take up too much space. A lot of times, a lot of surge protectors take up way too much space. Or the cables and ports and everything. I don't know what this is for yet. Here we have some more. Let's see. Everything. I think that's everything. So that's everything for now. We will be covering the features and how everything works and how well it works, and then we'll do a review. Okay, so we've had the phone for a month, and I've tested it very well. Several things I really like is that the volume is to the left right here, where you just press up and down. There's also the headphone jack, where you can put a headphone. Just give me a second. Okay, right there. Here's the battery. There's the charging port. Now, here we have the menu. As you can tell, you have the phone book. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see. So you got the phone book. It also allows me to see what you guys see more. You have the caller list, answer and device, which you can press, and you can see that there's one message, and then you can play message.
New message playback. No new message.
So, but we'll be looking at the message or hearing the message from the main base. Then you got voicemail access, intercom, set day and time, speed dial, and settings, customer support, and baby monitor. Okay, so we're going to go settings. You have your ring adjustments, and so you could change the you have to go up and down. It's been a while since I messed with the ring adjustment. Okay, you got intercom ring volume, same thing. You have your ringtone. Okay. Okay, some of the ringtones are a little annoying. You got intercom ringtone. You have your silent mode. Okay, so you go back. You have, let's see, little battery alert, talking caller ID. Now I have the, see, there, little battery alert. Key detector setting. Now this you pretty much add a new device. Automated call block. And so you just select it. Call block. Speed dial. So you can set different speed dials. Cell locator. Record greeting. Voicemail. Message indicator. LCD contrast. So here, like I put it really low. Say battery. Handset name. And I have this called as basement. So display name. So I have it on. Auto intercom. Key tone. Caller ID edit. Auto talk. Set tail line. Call sharing. Registration. Power failure. It's on auto. Change language. And so, see, display, announcement. So we'll see. So you got English, Spanish, announcement. And that's everything you can do in the settings. So just go back. Go off that. Okay, and so we're just going to listen to the recording that I pre-recorded. I'm going to press the pre-recording. It's a little dark here because we have plants and stuff. So, but I'm going to press the pre-recording so you guys can hear it.
No new message.
Alright, so I'm testing this audio on the answer machine so you guys can see or hear how it sounds. So this is the test. I'm just talking a number of words like anyone else would do to the message. So this is the audio.
Wednesday, 8:54 p.m. End of final message.
Okay, so that was the audio. Okay, so now we're going to do a review on the home phone system. Really like the design, the audio quality. There are some improvements that I will mention that I wish could be improved on. But overall, just a great phone. I think that anyone who is deciding on this home for your home use, I think will be happy. Also, if they've used previous Panasonics like we have, we've always had the Panasonic home systems, home phone systems. So this is has more settings, audio quality is better, range is better. So it has improved over the years. So we're just going to jump right into the review. So as far as the audio, that's the most important. I would give it like a 5 out of 5. Great audio within talking to someone and them being able to listen to you and you listening to them. So 5 out of 5. It was clear and crisp. There was no issues, distortion or echoes. Also the volume control goes pretty high so you can hear it or you could lower it. So, and the audio is easily adjusted through the here on the left. So it's placed in a great place. So 5 out of 5. As far as the intercom, I would give it like a 2 out of 5. The intercom could be improved on. It's kind of sounds a little distorted, echoey. The volume does go up high to like 7 or 8. I think it could go up a little bit higher, but the overall audio quality of the intercom I think could be improved on. I just don't see why the audio quality in all intercoms, home phone systems, have not been improved on. They all sound the same. They definitely could be improved on. I just don't see why, but 2 out of 5. So overall design of the phone, I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5. I think there could be better implement designs, different designs for your hands gripping and different things. I think there needs to be a reinvention of some of these home phones that just step out and create something different that is just more innovative and better for and easier to hold. So also there's also I wish the intercom there was a button here because we use the intercom because we have a basement. The speakerphone's nicely placed, the bottom left. Call block is good. Flash call weight is good. Off on settings, everything's placed well. I just wish that there was an intercom button. Let's see the settings and the different features you could do in the phone. I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5. Really good settings, or 4.5 out of 5. I think that there could be more settings to improve it, allow you to do different things, and auto except having to do it. Some auto ones, they already have quite a bit. Like I would say, probably 80% of the settings where you can auto it. So I just wish that there was more settings, like where you could connect it to your phone. I'm not sure if it does that. I didn't see it. I read the whole manual, looked over it, looked through the settings where you could connect it to your phone and send the message to your phone. So that would be cool. So 4 out of 5 or 4.5 out of 5 in the settings. So overall total, I'm gonna give it like 4.5. I think this is a big improvement on the previous version, which we originally had because we only bought our home phone system like 2 years ago. So I'm guessing this is the next line. I'm not sure. They do come out with quite a bit throughout the years. So, but definitely a great upgrade. And if you're looking to upgrade your home phone system, I think that this is a well-deserved look at. And so hope this helps you in your decision.
This Panasonic phone system with answering machine is fantastic, and here is why. I like that you receive 5 phones, allowing me to add a phone to each bedroom. The phone design includes the following: a good LCD screen that lights up when the phone is in use, access to additional phone functionalities, large backlit numbers, and a clear sound quality. The answering machine is excellent too. It is easy to set up and works well.
New message.
I've had this phone system for almost a year and it has worked great. It is well worth the value and I highly recommend it. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.